Hi students, welcome to Lucky Naresh Physics channel. I am Naresh Babu, Physics faculty. Students, in this session, I am going to discuss about mutual inductance, coefficient of mutual induction and depending factors in electromagnetic induction. What is mutual inductance? Look at here. The change in current in primary coil induces EMF in the secondary coil. This phenomena is called mutual inductance. For suppose I1 is the current flowing through the primary coil. Due to that, magnetic flux linked with secondary coil is phi2. Here, magnetic flux is directly proportional to the strength of the current. So I can write phi2 is directly proportional to the strength of the current, that is I1. It is magnetic flux linked with 1 turn. Then magnetic flux linked with n turns, that is total magnetic flux, is n into phi2 directly proportional to the current, that is I1. If I remove directly proportional, I need to write constant. So here I will write n phi2. If I remove directly proportional, I will write constant, that is m into I1, where m is called mutual inductance. So from this I can write m equal to n into phi2 by I1. So I got mutual inductance, that is m equal to n into phi2 by I1. But from Faraday's laws, induced EMF opposes the change in magnetic flux. So from that I can write, look at here, from Faraday's laws, induced EMF opposes the change in magnetic flux, that is E equal to minus d phi 2 by dt. It is for 1 turn. For n turns, I will write minus d into n phi 2 by dt. See, in the place of n phi 2, I can write m into I1. So I will replace n phi 2 with m into I1. So by dt. From this I can write m equal to E by di1 by dt. So this minus I am moving to the left side, so I will get minus E by di1 by dt. So I got mutual inductance in terms of EMF, that is m equal to minus E by di1 by dt. So I can write SI unit here. What is the SI unit here? SI unit for EMF volt, for current ampere, by for time second. So I can write volt second ampere power minus 1. Also I can write Tesla meter square ampere power minus 1. Or in terms of Weber, I can write Weber ampere power minus 1. Or also I can write Henry. Henry is the name of the scientist. So these are SI unit for mutual inductance. Now we will discuss about quotient of mutual induction. In mutual inductance, we got m equal to n into phi 2 by I1. For suppose if I1 I1 equal to 1 ampere, then M equal to N into phi 2 is called quotient of mutual induction. The total magnetic flux linked with secondary coil when 1 ampere current is flowing through the primary coil is called quotient of mutual induction. Now we will discuss about depending factors. On what factors quotient of mutual inductance and mutual inductance depends? Quotient of mutual induction and mutual inductance depends upon geometry of the coil. That means they depends upon size, shape, area of the coil. They depends upon number of turns of two coils and also nature of the core material. Quotient of mutual induction and mutual inductance depends upon distance between the two coils and also relative placement of two coils. In next session, we will discuss about mutual inductance of two long coaxial solenoids. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you.